To set time and date on your Casio G-Shock, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are on the main screen. If you hit the mode button here, you see you move to timer, world time, alarm, stopwatch, and when there's nothing, you are on the main page. From here, what you will do is you will press and hold the adjust button. By doing so, the hands will move in a position so you have a clear view on the lower window. Then from here, what you have here that is blinking is the time zone. Actually, the closest to mine is New York City, so this is what I have. You can change the time zone by pressing the reset and start button. So I will move to New York City again, and then I'm gonna hit the mode button. Then you see I have this, which is off, and there's a DST blinking over here. DST stands for Daylight Saving Time. Actually, we are in winter, so there is no Daylight Saving Time, so I leave it to off. If you're actually in Daylight Saving Time, you can enable it with the reset button. Then moving to the next one, you can choose between 24-hour mode or 12-hour modes. You always switch mode from here and you toggle from an option to another with those two buttons. So for me, I will leave it on 24-hour mode. Then this is the second that are blinking. You cannot adjust the second to the one that you want. The only thing that you can do is to hit the start button to reset it to 0. So you need to wait at the beginning of a minute to hit the start button for it to reset. Then press the mode button again. Then you can adjust the time. Weirdly, when you press on the lower button, it raises the time. And when you press on the upper button, it lowers the time. Whatever. Hit the mode button again and you can change the minute. Hit the mode button again and you can change the year, the month, the day. And then you have the key. So when you hit a button, do you want to hear the beep or mute it? And the next one is LT. LT stands for light, and that's the second of the light. So you have one, two, or no, you have one or three. So at 1, it's that light. You got 1 second, and at 3, as you can see, it will remain on for 3 seconds. That's it. When you hit the mode button again, we restart. This is New York City, and we can go around and around and around again, but now we are done. So we're just gonna hit the adjust button a single time. The hand's gonna take back its place, and that's it. We are done. I hope this was helpful.